Welcome to our YouTube channel. Here's a step-by-step tutorial for using CapCut, a popular video editing app. Install and launch CapCut. Go to your App Store, Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iOS. Search for CapCut and install the app. Once installed, open CapCut on your device. I already downloaded it. Click on New Project. So it open, we will start how we can do video editing in simple way. Just click on plus button to add any video from your gallery. So I add this video as tutorial. Click on plus button to add it on main screen. Here many options you can see. Just click on adjustment to adjust the colors of the video. I change colors to show you how it works. So you can see that the colors of this video change. Click on curves and you can change colors of video. Click on speed and you can slow or speed the video. Click on curves and you can change the sound curves. Click on video option for more options. Click on ratio to adjust video ratio. So I click on TikTok size ratio and you can choose option as you want. So adjust it to the full screen. I adjust it to full screen. Click on effects. So you can see that there are a lot of effects and choose it as you want to add. I will choose this effect for my shorts. Extend this effect as you want. Click on transitions to add transition to your video. First split it. You can see it split in two halves. So there are a lot of transitions. I will choose this one. You can see that transition added. You can change duration of this transition. So I click on play button to show you how it works. You can also add stickers to your video. There are a lot of stickers and add it to your video if you like. Click on filters and there are many filters. I add this filter as tutorial. Extend it to full video or as you want to extend. Click on audio to add free background music to your video. I add this sound to my video. Tap the music button, musical note, at the bottom. Or choose music from your device or the app's library. Tap the text button, T, to add text to your video. Customize the text by changing font, color, size, and position. I will choose this text template option and choose social option, and I add this subscribe button to the end of my shorts video. Lot of options like vlog text. Click on adjustment option and it to the timeline and you see a change video colors and video brightness. This option use in that situation in which you want to change colors and brightness of some specific area of the video. I make this video in hurry because I just introduce CapCut features. And you make video very well as you can make your video looking well. Thanks for watching our video.